and welcome to this overview of Feezily, where we show you how Feezily fits into the operations of a typical advisor practice. In this video, we're not actually going to show you the application. There's plenty of other videos that will do that and show you how easy it is to use. But right now, let's take a look at what data you're getting in and where you have to get that data to. Clearly, the most important input is your product provider files coming from the product providers. They are all in a variety of formats. Some providers actually have multiple formats. Feezily can accept the import of files from over 50 different provider formats. And what it does is very simply convert that data into its central database. The central database has all the typical entities that are required via an advisor practice. Clients, products, product providers, advisors, brokers, fees and transactions. So we upload files to Feezily and it gets the data into its central database. So once they're in there, it doesn't matter what format they were in originally. All that matters is that they're now in a consistent format and you've got all the data consolidated. Now normally you would consolidate that on a monthly basis, and Feezily has batch processing, so you can set up monthly batches and you can then consolidate over that entire month and then start operating on data in terms of one consolidated monthly batch if required. So Feezily can get the data into its central database, but then what does it do with it? Well, you need to be able to integrate with platforms, possibly use third-party platforms like Xplan, Fin365, Midwinter platforms. So you need to get the data into that format, into the format they require, so that you can use those third-party products. You might do your own in-house processing with Excel. You might have an accounting system you want to get data into. You might want to do some simple reconciliation of provider payments, reconciliation of advisor payments. We can do that as well. Or you might want to do some simple charting. Rather than do the charting in Excel, you can do the charting right in Feezily itself. So now the data has been gathered into the central database. Feezily can now generate data that can go into the various systems that you need to perform your monthly operations. Be sure to check the other videos where we show you how easy it is to get this data into Feezily and how easy it is to get consolidated data out again.